guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva Home. Today I will be decorating my tier trays with some Christmas decor. I have laid out everything I have over here. I'm going to show you everything. It doesn't mean everything's going to go on my trays, but that way everything's out and I can pick and choose what I want to use. And I also want to mention that this video is part of a challenge that I am co-hosting with Decor Easy, Diane and Yanni, and we have asked everyone who wishes to join us in decorating their tier trays, whether that's a 2-tier tray, 3-tier tray, 1 tray, 3 trays. They can make something for their trays and decorate it with it, or they can just decorate their trays. So there will be a playlist link down below. I will also add Yanni's and Diane's channel down below, Decor Easy, for you to check out after you are finished watching my video. So without further ado, let's get started. So here are all the supplies that I laid out. I'm gonna quickly go over some of them just so you know what everything kind of came from. And I am using these 2 trays. I've used these for fall as well. My 3-tier tray that came from Home Depot, and the 2-tier tray that's in my Amazon store, which will be linked down below. I love both of them. I was planning on getting one more tier tray for my hot cocoa station, but I haven't had a chance to do that yet. If I do, that will be part of my hot cocoa station decor that you can watch later. So let me kind of go over everything that I have. So there are a lot of DIYs here, so I'm going to show you which ones are DIYs. So this was a very simple one. I just painted Christmas red. Then all of those little houses I have spray painted. They're the Dollar Tree houses. My joy letters was a DIY. Same with the Mary was a DIY. And I think maybe some of these pine cones. And I think that's about it. Oh yeah, and I have some cinnamon scented ornaments that I made last year there as well. And then all the little ornaments had come from Dollar Tree. And this was a DIY. I just had a little mason jar that I painted the lid and just added some mini marshmallows in it. So like I said, these were from Dollar Tree, Dollarama. Same with this snowman. Most of my bottle brush trees were from Dollarama. This had come from Home Sense, as well as the little red truck and the red truck sign. These had come from, I believe, Dollar Tree, as well as that one. This was a gift. These were all from Michael's. This is actual soap, which was a gift as well. The little coasters was a gift. This was part of a gift as well. And then the scoop and cream came from Home Sense. I always use that on my 2-tier tray. Just love the way that looks. So I think that's about it. That snowman was a gift as well. It's a lot of gifts. I guess people know I like Christmas. So I'm going to get started on my big one. Now my 3-tier tray goes into my family room, where the theme is traditional with the rustic feel. So with this tray, only the very back you can see, but the rest of it you can see. So I like to put bigger items at the back, and I like to play around with it quite a bit.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been
So I went and I got some of these. These are artificial, but I thought they would feel like it needs a little bit more green.
Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
So I had remembered that I had made these little DIYs a while back, so I'm gonna try and do something because it's not working for me.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
A friend of mine had bought me this and I totally forgot. So I think, oh, this one's giving me a hard time. So I think I'm gonna go with a Christmas at the back.
Let's get better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good.
I'm going to put these wood slices in there.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right.
So I had found some of these too. I'm gonna put some of this stuff in here.
I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels
time home tour comes around, you might see it a little different. Now I'm gonna move on to my smaller one, which should be easier.
And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself.
So last year I did a gingerbread theme for this tray, and I think that's what I'm gonna continue because it is a theme that I'm going for in my kitchen. So I had gotten this one thrifted. All of my actually are thrifted.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself. In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first.
So they're both here, finished. I love the way both of them turned out. The tier tray did give me a bit of a hard time at the back. I always find I do struggle with that one at the back. I feel like it's really wide, but it's not tall enough for bigger pieces. So make sure you check out Deco Easy's channel as well as the playlist link down below. And I would like to thank everybody that participated and watched this video. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And if you're stopping by for the very first time, make sure you check out my DIY channel and cooking channel if you haven't come from those. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.
In a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas.